Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to Umul Qura Education System. Class 2, it's your English period. Today we will do the mice and the elephant.
Now, chapter number 4, The Mice and the Elephants. Once upon a time, a king lived in a fine stone palace. After many years, the king grew old and died. Everyone left the palace. Slowly, the walls fell down, and soon only the floors were left. Long ago, there was an old palace where thousands of mice lived happily. One day, a herd of elephants started using a path that passed through the palace. As they walked, many mice were injured and killed. The king of the mice politely asked the elephants to use another path. The elephants agreed and changed their route. Later, the elephants were caught in hunter's net and could not escape. Remembering the mice' friendship, they called for help. The mice quickly came and chewed through the ropes of the net. Soon all the elephants were free. The elephants thanked the mice and learned that even the smallest creature can be great friends and helpers. So the short summary of this chapter is thousands of mice lived in an old palace. When elephants accidentally harmed them and the mice asked the elephants to take another path, the elephants agreed. Later, the elephants were trapped in nets and the mice saved them by chewing the ropes. The story teaches us that even small friends can be very helpful.
Now we will do words meaning of the chapter. The first is agree, to say yes, comfortable, at ease, feast, a large meal, festival, a time of celebration, herd, a group of animals, weak, not strong, whole, complete, escaped, get away or run away. Now we will do answer this question. Question number 1 is, why did everyone leave the palace? Everyone left the palace because the king grew old and died. Question number 2, who lived in the cracks of the floor? Mice lived in the cracks of the floors. Question number 3 is, who agreed to use another path? The elephants agreed to use another path. Question number 4 is, what did the elephants remember? The answer is, the elephants remembered the old saying, make friends, always make friends, however strong or weak. Thank you for watching.